One of the most common questions that we get at your repair depot is all about the battery that's inside either iPhones or Androids. People find that their battery's not lasting like it used to when they first got their phone. Most people have never seen what the inside of the battery looks like. This is what a lithium battery looks like from inside of a smartphone. Wafer thin with connectors that connect onto the motherboard. How do you know when your battery's gone bad? This is a puffed out, defective iPhone battery. As you can see, it's thicker in size. The outside has a rougher texture, almost a crinkled feel to it. And normally the battery will stop taking a charge and sometimes will actually push the screen of your phone away from the body. If we compare the two batteries, you can see the difference on the thin battery, which is a new iPhone 8 battery, and the defective battery. At your repair depot, we replace Android iPhone batteries starting at $49.99. Your repair depot, your repairs done right.